Starting email marketing usually feels hard because most people think they need to be great at writing. But with AI Scale Stack, you don't have to write a single word yourself. This platform gives you custom AI bots that handle all the writing for you. They create consistent, engaging emails that keep your subscribers interested and ready to take action. And since it's built with automation, you don't need to worry about sending things out manually. Everything can run on autopilot. That means you can start your email business, grow your audience, and even earn from your list without ever struggling with what to say. It's beginner friendly, quick to set up, and you can run it in less than 30 minutes a day. And here's the safety net. It comes with a money back guarantee. So you can try it risk free and see for yourself how simple it really is. If you're ready to start email marketing without worrying about writing, click my link in the description and sign up for AI Skills Stack today.